Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Smart Switch transfer fail in Samsung Galaxy S23. If you're using Galaxy S23 and you're facing the issue that your Smart Switch transfer had been failed, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to open your settings app here, go to device here, go to storage, and you gotta make sure that you have enough storage in your internal storage here on your phone. Like almost you have 20 GB free, minimum 20 GB or 15 to 20 GB free with your internal storage to receive files on your phone. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go back from here and just here go to search and just search for smart switch. You might get that. Click on it, and here you have to try to update this app by clicking on these three dots. Click on the settings, click on about smart search, and click on try again. Or you have to make sure that you're connected to the internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. So let me connect with my Wi-Fi here. After connecting to a Wi-Fi or a cellular connection, just go back, click on this try again option to check for any pending update of your smart switch app. And once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to clear cache of your smart switch. Just go to settings app here, go to app section, click on this search icon here, and just search for a smart switch. You might get smart switch, click on it, scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache. You can also try to clear data. Once I've cleared cache and data, it will clear all the junk files from your smart switch app. And once I've done, your issue might have been fixed, and this time you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.